How to turn off or on profile view notifications on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. First, uh, open Truecaller and then just click on your profile here, and now click the settings icon, and after that click general and scroll down, and here you will find profile view notifications. Just turn it off or on, and that's it. It's easy, and just by one click you can turn it off or on, and then just go back. It will be saved, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.